Hey there, students! Have you ever wondered how we decide what's worth preserving in our world? Today we're diving into the fascinating world of ICOMOS charters. ICOMOS stands for the International Council on Monuments and Sites. It's a global organization dedicated to the conservation and protection of cultural heritage places. The ICOMOS charters are guidelines that help us manage and preserve heritage sites. Think of them as the playbook for safeguarding the history and culture that make our world unique. They cover everything from ancient ruins to modern architectural marvels. First up, the Venice Charter, adopted in 1964. It laid the foundation for modern conservation practices, emphasizing the importance of maintaining the authenticity of historical buildings. Next, the Borough Charter from Australia focuses on the conservation of places with cultural significance. It highlights the need to understand the values and meanings of these places to different communities. The NARA document on authenticity broadens the concept of authenticity, recognizing that different cultures have different ways of expressing their heritage. Lastly, the Florence Charter is all about historic gardens and landscapes. It gives us guidelines on how to preserve these green spaces. Understanding these guidelines helps us appreciate the efforts that go into preserving our history. It's about respecting the past while planning for the future. Next time you visit a historical site, you'll know a bit more about the principles guiding its preservation. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.